Welcome back, and now to the rest of our stories. As part of efforts to curtail the further spread of the coronavirus pandemic, Tunisian authorities have begun disinfecting public places. The move is meant to limit public infections as the number of cases surge. Some public places have been shut down. The police are also out to enforce the emergency regulations as the government declares a night curfew to limit movement to curb the spread of the virus. More details in this report.
The disinfection campaign started at night when the streets and public buildings were empty. The governor of Tunis noted that experts are in charge of sterilizing and purifying all streets and public facilities.
The large-scale disinfection campaign will continue in all public spaces, public administration and public transports, schools, universities and all facilities. This is a shared responsibility between all stakeholders. We provide the logistical and human means to counter the spread of the virus.
The mayor of Tunis revealed that many civil servants have tested positive for COVID-19. Saad Abdelrahim explained that the campaign aims to create a healthy and safe environment for Tunisian citizens.
The campaign targets the clusters of infections in the Grand Tunis district. Dozens of municipalities are involved to limit the spread of coronavirus. Some municipalities were shut down to conduct disinfection operations. The number of victims is on the rise. We must be careful.
The Tunisian police are helping to enforce an ongoing curfew to combat the spread of the virus. Some police officers are issuing a verbal or written warning, while others have seized dozens of vehicles. Many people were fined or arrested for ignoring the curfew in place from 9 p.m. until 5 a.m.
Respecting the curfew is necessary in order to support the state effort in fighting the coronavirus pandemic. We help the people who cannot go home on time while we reprimand those who drive without an authorization or a real reason.
Dozens of trucks were still spraying the streets at sunrise. Millions of residents woke up to a disinfected city. According to the National Observatory of New and Emerging Diseases, Tunisia records an average of 24 fatalities per day, while the positivity rate of the tests is over 30%. In cooperation with the Interior and Health Ministries, the governors of 14 regions have mobilized all resources and capabilities to guarantee the success of the disinfection campaign. The cleaning program will be extended to all regions across the country.